Welcome, guys. After many time. So, firstly, आई एम रियली सॉरी मैंने कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड नहीं किया सिंस लास्ट मंथ क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ा बुखार आ गया था और उसके बाद मेरा एग्ज़ाम शुरू हो गया. सो आई डिडंट कैच अप विद द टाइम बट नाउ द एग्ज़ाम्स आर ओवर फुल्ली ओपन एंड नाउ हम लोग सब कुछ करेंगे. लाइक वी विल अपलोड आई विल बी अपलोडिंग वीडियोज़, डूइंग लाइव स्ट्रीम्स and many more things, and we will have great time together. और आई एम बैक और आज हम पढ़ेंगे हाउ टू डू अ mate with a single queen and a mate with a single rook. So let's get started. And first thing that you must know, that if you are doing a mate with a single queen or single king, single rook, then you can't only use that a single piece to checkmate. that तुम अकेले उन एक ही पीस से चेकमेट नहीं कर सकते. यू नीड some support to that piece. Like so in this type of positions you need the support of your king. So king will go over here like this, not in one move, by playing like duk, simple, and it will mate. So first thing you need to keep in the mind that you have to use your king to checkmate. Now let's go to the next game, next position. Now this, you have to cut the enemy's option. So that I have told you that in this kind of positions or in any game, in games like that, you can't mate a king in the center. So you just need to restrict his resources, means where he can move. You just have to control that and bring your opponent's king to one of the sides of the board and boom, mate. So as simple as that. And now, so here I am having a position set up for you, and we will do a checkmate over here. I will be teaching. So now first thing that you need to do is control the center so that the king can't come on the center, that the king will go like this, वो अपने घर में बैठेगा, and we will do boom, checkmate. So queen e3 is the first move, so that this all are controlled, these squares are controlled, the king will go here. And now just a matter of sense that while doing a mate with a single queen, you just need to consider this pattern, the pattern of L. So wherever the king goes, you have just to follow this pattern like this, like this. You just need to come like this. But when the king goes at the corner of the board, when he just have two moves, then please don't do this. If this is called this situation is called a stalemate. And what is stalemate? Please stay tuned on my channel. The video will be uploaded soon. So in this time, when the king is at that corner, then you have to bring your support staff, that's your king, into the game. And as simple as that, mate करेंगे हम, we will win. Oh, sorry, better move. And now mate in one. Yeah, as simple as that. We have learned to mate with a queen, single queen. That's brilliant. Now let's go to the next one, that's the rook. While doing mate of the rook or any kind of piece, you just have to keep in the mind one theme, and that is cutting. Cutting is everything in this type of end games. You have to just restrict your opponent, and chess is the game like that only. See, you have to first you have to know about your opponent's plan, and just you need to play across that he won't be succeeding in his plan, and that's all in is there in the game of chess. And as simple as that in the end game, that you have to cut the opponent here so that he has only limited squares to move, and so you can mate him very easily. So as simple as that. The king comes here. Oh, let me set it to black to play so it will be more easier. King, for example, the king comes here, then you have to start cutting the king up. Now if you do this, then my friend, big blunder, it will capture, no use. So you just need to bring your king. Now bring your king. Now cut that, and here you will bring the king here so that we can mate the king like that. So the king will come here, for example, then boom. Now let's play like this. The king will go here. Yeah, quite difficult. Or the king goes here. Only we are only cutting the piece, so that just you need to remember one thing, that whenever the opponent's king goes on this side of the board, then you need to control one of the side so that the king can't escape towards the center. So the rook and games are damn very easy if you keep in this mind that and now it is a mate. Now okay, mate in one, that's simple. And yeah, you just need to keep in this mind that it's very simple, and all the cutting theme that only you have to keep in this mind, and that's done. That's all you have to do in mating the king. So now there's one announcement, or you can say something good for you. So the chess Olympiad is going on, online chess Olympiad, due to this pandemic condition of coronavirus over there. So it is online chess Olympiad, where it is a team event. By the way, there are six boards in each game, so there are six players playing for just 1 point. So if you score more, if your team scores together more than 3 points, means 3.5, then you get 1 match point. And that is where Team India is doing such a great job. We have Vishwanathan Anand, Vidit Gujarati, and many other players, Pragyananda, Humpy, and Nihal Sarin, Divya Deshmukh doing a very good job, and many more guys. So I want you all to please cheer them up. Go to the live stream today at 2:30 p.m. to, I guess it will be on ChessBase India or some other channel. You just go to YouTube and type Chess Olympiad 2020, and all the list will come. Means the videos or the live sessions that we will go, and you just go there and like boom, yeah. So today we are playing semi-finals. It is against Poland, and a very close encounter will be today. So I hope you will go and attend that. So this is all for today. I hope you have learned everything today. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts or query, please let me know in the comment section. So bye bye.